Hello everyone. So this is the Midjourney Feed website. And it looks like this and it's super nice. And this is the next series of tutorials that I want to create only about this page. Um, because underneath this design we have a few things that is interesting to recreate. So first of all, here we have the sidebar, which in Editor X we can do it using vertical section, but in Studio we don't have a vertical section. So we will see how we can create this sidebar. The second thing is this layout, the mosaic. I think it's called mosaic layout. Um, so you can see that it's pretty nice layout, and also it's responsive. So when I change my screen width, the amount of columns for images that I have is changing. So this is interesting to create. Also, you can see the sidebar is changing its layout for, I think it's tablet. Um, and we get a totally different layout for mobile devices. Um, and also you can see that the columns is changing. Um, so this is the second thing that is interesting to recreate. And the third thing is that when I click on an image, so it's opened kind of a pop-up, a light box with extra information about this piece of art. Um, we have this slider here, which I don't think that I will cover, um, but we will do have the options to see different information about each image, and 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 all the images I want to bind with database, so it will be very dynamic. And also the thing that we don't have here, it's the load more. So for better performance, I don't want to load all the images at once. I want to load them as I scroll down to populate new images from database. um, Dark mode we already covered in the past tutorials, so you can use that. um, so this is the next tutorials that I want to create only about the Midjourney feed. Let me know what you think, if I am missing something or there is something special that you want me to cover.